I'm Amber.
We are selling products from Pedro's that they donated to the Community Bicycle Center. The Community Bicycle Center is run by Andy Greif, and it's not a bike shop. It's providing opportunities for youth to grow. And today we are going to show you how to install your grips on your handlebars. Amber?
And this is how it goes. Okay. First you
Here's
have
your rack.
Okay. First you have to spray it on the rag, I guess, if you want it on the rag. Okay. And then you just wipe it like this. Okay. And then you have to put
Rubber cement from Elmer's
on it.
And these grips are half rubber recycled, and they are dot grips from Pedro's, which is high quality and they're awesome. We will be making videos on YouTube selling boxes of these stuff. So we get to have all the fundraiser money come here to the Community Bicycle Center.
Please help us.
Okay, back to installing these. Give me the handlebars, please.
Here you go. Here's the rubber cement.
Give me it.
Here you go.
Please. Put the rubber cement on. You do not use hairspray or any alcohol.
Because that will ruin the grips.
They will dissolve.
Yeah.
Because they are recycled! Go green!
Woo!
Okay.
Then you just slip the grip on like this.
If I could see, that'd be good.
You just slip the grip on.
Don't laugh, please. We're keeping this. Well, we're having some technical difficulties, but these do go on a bike.
Yeah, and they actually work pretty well. And if you want to buy something, just
Go to communitybicyclecenter.net or go on our YouTube
video
and
check us out.
peace.
Peace.
Bye.